Kylie, Leonard, and I'm standing for the East Rural Ward. Our farm's on the wrong side of the road, so I don't actually live in the ward, but definitely a rural person at heart. My top two priorities, number one is ensuring that the rural people are represented at the table, at the council table, and that they're not on the menu, and ensuring that the voices are strongly heard, and also considering the challenges that are coming to us out of central government and dealing with those issues that are coming thick and fast at us. I feel like I've done my apprenticeship now. I have a really good understanding of how council works, around how central government impacts on what we can and what we can't do. I feel that I've developed networks across the East Rural region, out to the Rangataik, out to River Road, out to Wairake village, and understanding the issues that are facing them and now being able to really create some action at the council table. I think the biggest challenge facing our district is the potential amalgamation of councils and losing our localism. So if we're not careful, central government are going to change the way that we are structured, and we're going to have less and less of a voice at the table, and we need people on council that are aware of this big challenge coming our way.